Unity brings blessings and life forevermore. We must therefore turn to put our differences aside and pursue the Master's vision with singleness of purpose. Our passion and pursuit must be to see that the whole earth is covered with the knowledge of God's word as the waters cover the sea. Children, the future think beyond, think high. It's your responsibility to put things in place and set things right to safeguard the future of our children. Remember, every child is your child. Groom yourself well. When the world interacts with you, they should know that they are interacting with a royal person. You are God's representative and God's vessel. You are God's expression and His image. God bless you. Like the video if you believe this message contains something that will help manifest abundance in your life. Please ignore it.